guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the tremendous amount of support for the previous video, the kway goreng video. It was really overwhelming, guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay, today we're going to be making this special dish. It's known as a comfort food in our house. Usually when it's raining and it's really cozy and all, we usually really look forward to this dish. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make chicken stew. But there's a twist to it, okay? This is the Sri Lankan version of chicken stew. So I'm going to go really slow with the ingredients. I hope the previous video I went really slow with the ingredients. So now, I'm just going to follow the style. Let's just run through the ingredients. So here we have 1 Holland onion, 1 green chilli halved, 1 carrot, ginger, garlic, curry leaf, 1 tomato, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, few pieces of clove, peppercorn, potatoes, salt, pepper, coconut milk, oil, and of course the star of the show, chicken. So I'm actually using chicken thighs because that is the piece which we prefer in the house, because I always feel the chicken thigh is like much more juicier. We're going to pound the ginger and garlic first. We have chopped and sliced everything. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. So for the marination, we are going to go in with 1 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground pepper. We're going to stir this really well, and we're going to pan-sear the chicken. So why we are doing this method is because we want to seal the juice inside the chicken. So for this, the fire should really be high, and there's oil inside, and we're going to put all the chicken here. So the oil should be really hot. Alright guys, so this should be pan-seared on each side for about 3 minutes, and then we can remove it. So you don't have to fully cook this because we're going to cook further later. So just remember not to cook too much, otherwise the chicken is going to become tough. I'm going to remove this. The chicken was pan-seared on each side for about 3 minutes, and then I removed it, and now with the remaining oil and also with the remaining water, the juice from the chicken, I'm going to go in with the spices. Cloves and bay leaf. A while later, we can go in with the peppercorn. We can go in with the onions. Green chili and curry leaf. Gonna stir this. We gotta wait till the onion becomes translucent. We are gonna add the chicken, okay? So I'll be right back once the onion becomes translucent. I'm going to go in with the chicken. Just stirring this. Now we are going in with curry powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder, yeah? Gonna stir this one more time. Okay, and now we're going to go in with 1 cup of water. stirring this one more time. Right. And we are going to go in with the ginger garlic paste. One more stir. My God, this smells super heavenly. Already feeling hungry. Okay, just stir this one more time and we're going to go in with the carrots now. If you think it's a bit too dry at this point of time, you can add a bit of water, not too much, just a bit. Okay, at this point, you just have to check if the carrot has been cooked. Usually it takes about 10 minutes to fully cook, so we don't want to be having like, hard carrot. So make sure it's really soft. And then we're going to go in with the tomato and coconut milk. So coconut milk is going to give the creamy texture to our stew. Just one more stir. Finally, we're going to go in with freshly grounded pepper. More pepper, more. Now, just a little bit of salt here. We don't have to put too much because remember, we actually marinated the chicken with salt earlier. So just a little bit. A little goes a long way. Oh my God, I'm already hungry. So you can switch off the stove. So here is the end result of our Sri Lankan style chicken stew. It really smells so good. I can't just wait to dig in, man. It's truly a comfort food, guys. Do try it at home, especially as I mentioned earlier, when it's raining and it's cold and it's all cozy because it contains pepper, right? So basically pepper gives like this very mild heat to the body, especially when you're feeling really cold. So that is why it's called a comfort food. And also, just for your information, you guys can make this either with chicken or mutton. Of course, the cooking time for mutton actually varies from chicken. So you just have to judge the timing for mutton. And another thing, you can eat this with rice, but we in the house prefer to eat it with bread slices like this, because I don't know why, somehow or other it's much tastier when you actually eat it with bread slices like this. Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye till we meet again in the next video. And also, please hit the like button, kindly share and subscribe, okay? Goodbye!